Lost in the city.
Max the lion woke up as the train stopped. He looked outside and exclaimed, "This is not our station." Lily the elephant opened her eyes, asking, "Where are we?" Paolo the monkey jumped up and down. "Let's explore. This city looks fun." The three friends quietly got off the train. The city was big and colorful, with people walking everywhere. "Wow! Look at all the shops!" Paolo exclaimed, running to a bakery window. Inside were cookies, cakes, and bread. "Paolo, come back. We need to stay together," Max urged. But Paolo already went inside. The baker screamed when he saw a monkey. Paolo grabbed 3 donuts and ran outside. "Sorry," Lily shouted to the baker, leaving some coins with her trunk. They walked through the park where children were playing. A little girl saw Max and said, "Mommy, a big kitty." Max smiled. "Hello, little friend." The mother looked scared and shouted, "Run! We are not dangerous," Lily said sadly. "We are from the circus." They hid behind some trees. "Maybe people don't understand us," Max said. Paolo found a fountain and jumped in. "This is amazing." He splashed everywhere. A police officer came. "Hey, no monkeys in the fountain. Time to go," Max said, and they ran fast through the streets. They arrived at the city square with a big clock tower. "Look at the time! Our train leaves in 1 hour," Lily exclaimed. "Oh, no! How do we get back?" Paolo asked. An old dog sitting nearby said, "I heard you. I can help." His name was Bruno, and he knew the city well. "The train station is far, but I know a shortcut," Bruno said. They followed Bruno through small streets and alleys. Paolo was tired. "I can't walk anymore," he said. "Get on my back," Lily offered. Paolo climbed up. "Thank you, friend." They passed a small circus poster on a wall. "That's us," Max said proudly. Finally, they saw the train station, but many people blocked the entrance. "How do we get inside?" Lily asked. Bruno thought. "I have an idea. Follow me to the back entrance." They went around the building to a small door. "Workers use this door," Bruno said. They went inside carefully. Their train was still there. "We made it!" Paolo shouted happily. "Thank you, Bruno," Max said. "You saved us. You're welcome." Bruno smiled. "Remember, every adventure teaches us something." "What did we learn?" Lily asked. "Home is special," Max said. "And friends help each other. And don't eat donuts without asking." Paolo laughed. They climbed on the train. The conductor saw them. "There you are! I was worried." The train started moving. They waved goodbye to Bruno through the window. "Today was exciting," Lily said. "Yes, but I'm happy to go home," Max said. Paolo yawned. "Me too. The circus is where we belong." They fell asleep as the train traveled back to their circus family.
Subscribe now and turn on notifications to catch all the new adventures.